Healthy snacks for pre-workout. Have you ever wondered about the secret to fueling your body effectively before a workout? The choices you make for pre-workout snacks can significantly impact your performance, energy levels, and even your recovery. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy snacks for pre-workout, we venture into the fascinating world of nutrition, unveiling the secrets of how to prepare your body for exercise with the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Get ready to discover a world of snacks that will not only ignite your energy but also maximize the benefits of your workout, leaving you curious about how the food you eat can be your most valuable workout partner. 1. The pre-workout edge. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the importance of pre-workout nutrition. What you consume before exercise can make or break your workout. 2. The role of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. We'll delve into how consuming the right type of carbs before your workout can boost your energy levels. 3. Protein for power. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. We'll discuss the significance of including protein in your pre-workout snacks to enhance your performance. 4. Healthy fats for sustained energy. Healthy fats offer a steady source of energy. We'll explore how these fats can be incorporated into your pre-workout snacks for endurance. 5. Timing is key. The timing of your pre-workout snack matters. We'll discuss when and how much to eat before exercising to maximize your results. 6. Portable and practical snacks. Discover a variety of pre-workout snack options that are easy to prepare, carry, and consume, whether you're hitting the gym or heading outdoors for a workout. 7. Addressing dietary preferences. Not everyone has the same dietary preferences. We'll provide snack ideas for different diets, including vegan, gluten-free, and more. 8. Fueling your performance. In conclusion, healthy snacks for pre-workout is a testament to the fact that the right nutrition before exercise can be your secret weapon for maximizing your workouts. It's not just about snacking, it's about optimizing your performance and reaping the rewards of a well-fueled workout. As we set out on this journey into the world of healthy snacks for pre-workout, you'll find that what you eat before your exercise regimen can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. It's a journey of exploring the potential of pre-workout snacks to fuel your body, ensuring that you get the most out of your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.